In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic content in beehiiv. Dynamic content is a useful feature when you want different readers to see different versions of the same content block based on specific conditions, like their location. This can help you make your newsletter feel more relevant and personalized without having to create multiple separate posts. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to apply it to a content block inside your post. To get started, go to the left-hand panel and click on Newsletter. This is where you'll find your newsletter posts and manage the content you want to send to your audience. Once you're in the newsletter section, find the post you want to update and click Edit. This will open the editor so you can make changes directly to that newsletter. Make sure you've selected the correct post before moving on, especially if you're working with multiple drafts or scheduled emails. Inside the editor, locate the content block you want to personalize. This could be a paragraph, an image, a call to action, or another section of your newsletter. On that block, click the 6-dot drag handle. This is the area that gives you block-level options and settings, so it's the place you'll use to customize visibility. After clicking the drag handle, look for the visibility option. Select that, and then choose Dynamic Content Conditions. This is the setting that allows you to control who sees that particular block based on rules you define. Next, set up your rules for the dynamic content. For example, you might want to personalize content based on a reader's location. Choose the condition that fits your goal, and then click Create Condition. Once you do that, beehiiv will redirect you to the Automation Creation area, where you can finish building the condition that powers the dynamic content. Go ahead and create the condition there. Take a moment to review the rule carefully so the right audience sees the right version of your content. This is especially important if you're tailoring promotions, announcements, or region-specific messaging. Once that's done, you're all set. Your dynamic content condition is now in place, and your newsletter block can be shown based on the rules you created. That's how to use dynamic content in beehiiv to make your newsletters more personalized and targeted.